All right, and here it is. So it was user error. We had the wrong screw, and that's why it wouldn't go in up top. We had put them in the blades instead, but here it is now, and you can switch off the lights using the control, different colors. And here is the brightness control, temperature adjustment. This is very, very adjustable. Here's how you control. And there it goes. So that's like a wind mode. And there it is at full speed. I'll say it is pretty quiet. And it puts out quite a bit of air. I know one of the reviews had mentioned that there wasn't a lot of air output. Not sure why, because you can literally see the flags moving here. Yeah, it's putting out quite a lot of air. All right, and that's the fan. So installation was a little bit tricky. The instructions could definitely be better, but once it's up, it's really nice.
Change the light. And turn the fan on. Turn the fan off. Turn the light off.
ceiling fan. Right now it's on high in a 15 by 15 foot room. Plenty of air. Very light, very easy to install. Comes with a hanger while you're wiring it up. It's very simple. Flush mount, no gimbal. That means you're not putting this over vaulted ceiling. No trim ring. Leaves a little bit of gap in exposed fastener, but that's fine. The remote, full featured. Notice, look, everything forward, reverse, color, temperature, brightness, has a night light mode. All of that is on the remote.
It's got a knot. Oh, I can't even see my. Oh, you just hold it. You don't have to match the button. And it's got a night light on it. Oh, see, like here, that's just night light.
Reverse.